Hi guys, welcome to another video. So this is going to be another video on speech recognition, but this is going to be a big one, okay? So this is pretty much going to be a video on how to use the speech recognition library, which I'm gonna search here, okay? This library, which is pretty much the best library for speech recognition because it supports, it's basically a wrapper for a lot of projects. We're gonna be installing this. I'm gonna open up CMD as admin, and we're gonna focus on pocketsphinx version and Google. We're gonna be using pocketsphinx, which we already did a video on it. You guys can check it out. And we're also gonna be using Google. So let's go SR speech recognition here. ASR speech recognition. I'm gonna create a new file. I'm gonna go there. It's gonna be main.py. We installed. We can check some code here, guys, on the site. You can check some code here. Let's copy this code. Let's click on raw. We got some code here on the GitHub repository. I'm gonna delete some of this. So this is all the APIs that are available. There are a bunch of them. Let's copy this. Let's delete this. So it's pretty much the basics of it. I'm gonna use this too. So I'm gonna leave this over here. So we import speech recognition as SR. We create this variable R, which is going to be the recognizer. And here we open the microphone for listening. I'm going to put this inside of a while loop, while true. We're going to this, say something. Okay, and we're going to print, first we're going to recognize from Sphinx. So I'm going to comment this. Okay, I'm going to uncomment this line and comment just at the front, and let's say you here. So it's pretty basic code, I would say. Let's run and it should work, right? Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. You guys can see the speech recognition is working. It's not accurate because it's using Sphinx for speech recognition. So it's, as I said in that video, this mod is not really good for speech recognition, but it's good for learning. Okay, now if we change this for Google, I think that this default language is English. So let's see. Yeah. So when using this, we are sending the audio for Google, okay, and we are getting the result in text. So it's pretty much using the Google API for speech recognition, which is good, but this library is way more powerful. We can pretty much use a bunch of engines. We can use a lot of different libraries for speech recognition, and we can also use Whisper, which we're going to be talking in the future, okay? So a lot of things we can do with this library. Let's try again. It's not listening. Let's see. I think I'm gonna change this logic. I think I'm gonna open the microphone in while true. I think this should be the correct way, right? Let's see. In pause. Okay, we got some error. Hello? Hello there. Okay, it's working. Errors, we can always put a try except, right? We can always do this. Let's try again. It's working well. Okay, and the accuracy, as you guys can see, is way better. Okay. But let's say that I want other language, okay? I don't want to recognize English. I want to recognize, let's Portuguese. We can pass the argument language and PT, which stands for Portuguese. Language for... Oi! Estou fazendo teste. Isso funciona muito bem. Okay, Portuguese works. Let's try French, for instance. I don't know how to speak French, but let's bonjour. Okay. C'est un tourbillon. Okay, it's working. Let's try Japanese. I think is GA is the language code. Konnichiwa. Is it right? Okay. Konbanwa. Sugoi ne. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working, guys. It's working. Okay, guys, it's working. So it's pretty much the tutorial, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to use speech recognition, the library in Python to do speech recognition. It's pretty good. Later on, I'm going to expand on this. We're going to be using other libraries such as Whisper, which is going to be very interesting to see how that performs. And it has a lot more capabilities because it's local. This one from Google is running on the web. But that's pretty much the tutorial, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.